Welcome to the Quizzers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather eat Pringles Original or Doritos 3D? Would you rather lose internet access forever or lose a leg? Would you rather have a personal driver or have a personal shopper? Would you rather eat a dish with too much sugar or with too much salt? Would you rather have a personal trainer or have a personal assistant? Would you rather own a Bugatti or own a Rolls Royce? Would you rather only use Instagram or only use TikTok? Would you rather have an endless summer break or an endless winter holiday? Would you rather get a villa by the sea or a cabin in the mountains? Would you rather bite your tongue or stub your toe on a table? Would you rather live here or live there? Would you rather own a modern villa or a historical estate? Would you rather be chased by clowns or be chased by zombies? Would you rather have a McDonald's free pass or a KFC free pass? Would you rather be a dog for a day or be a cat for a day? Would you rather own a restaurant or own a hotel? Would you rather dive into an indoor pool or an outdoor pool? Would you rather give your pet a human name or a food-inspired name? Would you rather stay in a campground or stay in a hotel? Would you rather own a tiny pig or own a baby sheep? Would you rather have an infinity pool or a giant garden? Would you rather choose rolling hills or ocean waves? Would you rather have everyone read your messages or see your photos? Would you rather have a pet unicorn or have a pet dragon? Would you rather own a giant aquarium or a giant terrarium? Would you rather eat In-N-Out Burger or Shake Shack? Would you rather have no one show up at your wedding or no one show up at your funeral? Would you rather live without love or live without technology? Would you rather be homeless forever or be imprisoned for 10 years? Would you rather wake up a bear or wake up a lion? Would you rather have a private pool or have a private gym? Would you rather eat at Wendy's or at Chick-fil-A? Would you rather go on vacation alone or go on vacation with friends? Would you rather eat a Twix ice cream bar or a Rolo chocolate? Would you rather drive a sports car or drive an SUV? Would you rather eat Fritos or Lay's? Would you rather have a pony or have a horse? Would you rather wear the same clothes for a year or have people read your thoughts? Would you rather own an exotic short hair cat or a Siamese cat? Would you rather eat a turkey sandwich or a BLT sandwich? Would you rather have a deep voice or have a high-pitched voice? Would you rather go to the mountains or go to the beach? Would you rather own a tiger or own a horse? Would you rather listen to metal for 2 hours or listen to a baby cry for 2 hours? Would you rather customize your clothes or customize your car? Would you rather have a private racing park or an aqua park? Would you rather own a long-haired puppy or a short-haired puppy? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.